Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, introduce myself. My name is Takia Alia Billah. Here, I will talk a little about nature. Okay, for all of us, the word nature is not a foreign word to us. Because nature is the environment around us and cannot be separated from us. So, nature or the environment around us provides all the things we need for our life or our survival. For example, we need 3 meals a day, and nature provides the ingredients for us to make food, such as fruits, vegetables, and some animals. But not all types of animals can be eaten by humans, especially Muslims. Only a few animals that we can consume. Then, the second example, if we have a house, we definitely need some home furnitures, such as tables, chairs, cupboards, and etc. Well, most of the furniture in the house is made of wood that that is produced by nature or the environment around us. But if we want to cut down forests for such purposes, we must not carelessly cut down the trees because if we cut down all the trees, it can cause air pollution that can endanger ourselves. In big cities such as Jakarta, Surabaya, Yogyakarta, and so on, what we often encounter, there are countless tall buildings, whereas we rarely encounter large trees in these cities. While the role of these trees is very important to reduce air pollution in these cities, which is caused by motor vehicles fumes and factory fumes. So, the role of nature, especially trees, for our life is very big, because if there are no trees or other plants, a city can become a very polluting city. Then, in addition to air pollution that we often encounter, the environment around us can also occur water pollution. Water pollution is an event in which the flow of water around us is polluted by things that can damage our environment, such as garbage, so factory waste, animal carcasses, and so on. Therefore, we must not throw away our garbage or anything that endangers our environment carelessly, especially throwing away to the river flow, because if the river flow is polluted and clogged, it can cause flooding, which can have a negative impact on us. And then, we as the younger generation must familiarize ourselves with activities aimed at preserving nature or the environment around us, because nature has a very big influence on the life of human or maybe animals and plants on this earth. Well, maybe that's enough for my explanation of nature or the environment. I apologize if there are many mistakes. So at last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.